Let's divide 50 by 2. Awesome math adventures. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more super fun math videos from Let's Stud. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We bring down the 5. Dust look picking up a fallen T. How many tums does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 tums. Let's check 2 tums 2 is 4. Put that right below the 5. Now we subtract 4 from 5. That leaves us with 1. You're doing amazing. We've got this. Now let's bring down the next divot to gen the 1. We're on a roll. Woohoo, we're on to the next step. We bring down the to meet the 1, making a no number. 18. How many tums does 2 get into? 18. Think of your 2's tums tubbles, it's nen. Let's check 2 tums nen is 18. Write 18 below the 18. Subtract 18 from 18. That leaves us with 0. Perfect. You crushed it, see. Long division is like a fun puzzle. And we're done. The answer is 20 nin with Neramunder. Hufuv. We found out that 50 divided by 2 is 20 nin. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, every division problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math adventures at Let's Stud.